Eya. Hey, Ghana. Medafo Enra, Afia Schwar de nsɛm bi ba fa Kofi Adoma wani ho. Medafo me share Afia Schwar video no miti ye me ya. Eya. Hey.
Asma me beken obe me busuafo ya batay me na me ye. Kofi Adoma show no. Na me cousin na me man free South Africa buy ebe start company DK Aluminium on na sponsor or the ne London. Baby Kofi Adoma be do bia no Afia Schwar Ghana ni kuna veche no na Kofi Adoma sia pro on hospital Gojichi. Afia Schwar Ghana and oya me who program 1 year me ya no 1 year na ni afra Wamani here the plaster at the time and you will be all medical field the be him say and near an operation. Plaster at the top of your domain, no hospital at the tire.
Medafo Enra Ghana and Tiasemo de Yankabian Shim and a Kofi TV and then a wife near Bushia a barbonting live. Emma we are seeing who near Atono. Medafo in some Kofi TV de buy say unya mre FG video nibia. Oye hwan areho ebe talk kraso mi hwe video no medafo na maboto ade ba ko a ba mitrima ne se ewiase won enipa nsehwe eno Kofi nsem ne tache akoma e ma Ghana fo nyina hu se da bi nya ye nua be ma ne namu no e wo se nyina ye kɔ ne moa na kakra bi a ye nyina ebetimi no wonsom ene nipa ye de support na osaye den osate gina medafo video ni ba ye no ye nyina edi ho abobo yanka bi anhyem ana Afia Schwar ba abonten medafo enso boa kasa hweme yo
Bible say awreto vengeance is of the Lord. Obi ya wadia jane menyame vengeance the real vengeance is of the Lord. Onyame and the so touchlight no the pie will be true mu yemu se bintua. Asma me beken obe me busuafo ya batay me na me ye Kofi Adoma show no na me cousin na me man free South Africa buy ebe start company DK Aluminium on na sponsor or the ne London. Baby Kofi Adoma be do bia no Afia Schwar Ghana ni kuna veche no na Kofi Adoma sia pro on hospital Gojichi. Afia Schwar Ghana and oya me who program 1 year me ya no 1 year na ni afra Wamani here the plaster at the time and you will be all medical field the be him say and near an operation. Plaster at the top of your domain, hospital at the tire. Because I just had an eye surgery. And to me the media bachelor. He did worse than that. All because I broke in his statement. Someone jumped wall. And the bad feel better came. Kofi Adoma was granted more than 700 interviews. And so I took my case to God. Me call mamalistic altar so. Na me call bo mama nyeche nyankopon. And then the yes come out. Me the yansra mami o. Yansra mami. Go back to court. Abokwa was not staying in my house. Oguri wall never me fee. Just to attack me. Kofi Adoma was glorifying it. You chose the path of the enemy. I am jubilating because kwasia plaster net awani. Say plaster away. Doctor Ben on ni. How can you tell me this story? Huh? How can you tell me this story? Say plaster away. Doctor
You're going to create your very own DIY.
Is this how we plaster an eye which is injured? How can you tell me this story? How? How? We need screenshots and I'm ready because we will highlight the drama in it and work on it. You can't give me story that is not story. You can't come and buy sympathy from people. I am here scrutinizing to me so me scrutinizing. How can you tell me this story? This fucking story. Obia wire eye operation. How can you tell me this story? Plus, lift your phone so down when I'm there and I'm in Koiduma. Doctor and a plaster anyway. My Jiminti, near the story where Abramo. How can you tell anyway plus say na doctor for plaster any? Say na doctor for a plaster any. And here we are now when in the frat. And I you when in the free. Say near plaster any. I be I'm not out here. Muna Jimino. How can you tell me the story? I did an eye surgery on the 13th of February. I did an eye surgery. You all know, Senna Michelle glasses. I did an eye surgery on the 13th of February. That qualified me to wear lens. These are my contact lens. The reason why I don't wear glasses again, I had a problem with my eye, and they need to work on it so that I will qualify to be able to wear contact lenses. I did an eye surgery on the 13th of February. How can you tell me the story?
Francis, blame wine. Bibisa, time na, almost, you know, cook of 2 years ago, your boo was inside when you you two and near through honor. Or you never can say, Oblemu will be ana. Bibisa, you know, one oblemuno. Tabeno Patasamo. They were my home formation. All Casada was say, Suman, the can't the deep apanatem. This particular, this disrespectful woman, Suman and a friend, or the dinatem. Mamma, wait the dinatem. This particular Kofi Adoma when you know, or the deep apanatem. Ah, now so you have to Unyabotre. Okwale, and I talk of young Quemo. Ukunu ye buruni ena wo si abonofo na ekum ukunu omu ukum ukunu no matter dey afri Kofi Adoma no no ohwe obi man ohwe no man ohwe no accident na asi o accident na asi last 2 years ye bu ukunu twitwa no sekan no eno na ye accident na ye dey mame ayi obolo ohema obolo last 2 years twitwa ukunu sekan twitwa no since sana no me admitted to hospital and also we been a domain and a ball pass to Muku to second. It is how last year then the night it was an attack and I hear Kuno and a Ukuno it didn't no much no to turn a second son and new and one targeting any and also being a to turn a second or no being a to or and also intentional
na anhwe ya na wan hu sa channel we biem enu ntimesrew say subscribe to the Bonah Show na once be part of this bigger family biem nso say ufri abrochire ekọ Ghana na medofo be kokuma se akodi dwuma bia e wo se onya baby papa eda ema osomdwo na se ope baby papa da mo asomdwo with 100% CCTV cameras 100% security 100% Afia chese mpanko nya bibia ye 100% fitter. Odi ane so be called www.picashproperties.com www.picashproperties.com Afia oba na den mame empanifo mpo se obi fum kuma ye mfum nya mame wampa oba pa Afia wa abadaye menye sa oba time now dey wo video ni ba en Afia Eya. Na dia mesre ne se Ghana fo nyina eni diem se yekoye nkotodwa anim a moma yenka yenua Kofi Adoma wanwani enu asa wo hwe ne video no na otie nsema oka e kame se enua be ma ne di yaw asemba ko kan e twa me sunum osisi ade be chikra onim onse onim de ba bia wiase mpoko eyaw nipa enseshi any diem dodo na amuni yenua Kofi wanwani ewo issues no adwobrel timing we no very wrong say one who dey make sure no yenua no wa ho yehiam yenua no kwa ho kire mankasa any diem mama yen consider no na ye mompai ma no se nyame ya adom na ne ho to no no sa ba ebe ye normal mubet my reference say internet there video was what forever and ever mama ye mompa internet na ne ho nsane no nani no ne ya obi ewom bia say ne ho to na mwetima kofa ba say Kofi ebi emre bia etwam wo kan say ba wo hu so wa wo kom enu nti no be me next time so obi asemba you're very careful and kwaji sika na say wo hu menye bias because sebi enipa bia o wasase su bia no asem metima to no fe but emprempre ya sebi yenua no wa ho hie ma ho metie mu na medofo yes I didn't send be one adwene kakra eyao ototrobo nsu na nyankopon a otonso bo awia oye doctor panyini a osa yare no enedei migina me platform yi so ka chense nyame ne se papa eni diem yenua Kofi ho akere no wona wo sa yare huni mobo bie machines ne doctors nani no mu hu bia atosini ewo yenua na brabom eye nani ene ni trim ne bia na kire drokra yemfa ma yenua Kofi na onsanti nyina empadimfo se oyonko da ene oda okoto se asemato nua bia medofo na wasu ho me last question me bisani o we de ani diem abrante na otutuo no so no ever since yente ho asem bia biem ani diem oko police for nsem ede na police for ya fasa abrafo na mutututuo ne ho ya momo counseling bi ahemfo na frɛ omunyina aka de asiach wo mesrem kaminya update bi about data kamen so no ka eno so no kebeye me de kakra ani diem eno nti mesrɛ sɛ wo update about sabi de otutuo no so no sabi Ghana police aye ho bibi na me hu ya ani diem comment section ho eye odia onyankopon hiraw onte nanim kyerɛw omie apuna mu atoto obra mu nyina.
Looking for the perfect home away from home? Stay with Pcash Properties in Akira Made, Kumasi. Luxurious, fully furnished spaces designed for your comfort. Book now, Ghana, +2 332 45 356 907 UK, +4 479 4606 0393. Visit www.pcashproperties.com. Your dreams stay awaits. Don't wait. Book today.